Hey, Kevin Rundlett with Rundlett Law Firm. My firm has been helping injured Mississippians for over 20 years. We're putting out these videos just to give someone more information that may have been hurt on the job or hurt in some other way and has questions about potential legal claims. So we hope these are helpful to you. Today we're going to be talking about, and I'm going to be giving a tip for what is the best thing I can do to help my attorney once I hire him for my workers' comp case. So really, this is what we expect of our clients, and we tell them up front, you should also do this for whoever your attorney is. You know, most people think that they can hire an attorney and then just sit back and let things slide, and that attorney is going to be doing everything that they need to do, and they may be. But the goal in workers' comp is to get you back to work, get you treated, make sure your treatments are going as they need to go, you're going to the right doctors, and your attorney is helping with that, but we need your help too. We want you to be a team player with us. And here's what you need to do. First of all, we have to get medical records because your workers' comp case is driven by what the doctors say. So as your attorney, we can request these medical records. We can pay to have them sent to us. Sometimes that takes a month, sometimes it takes 2 months, sometimes it takes longer than that. So sometimes it's really beneficial to your attorneys if you go to your doctor and say, hey, I need a copy of my medical records, and then you bring them to us. So we have them much more quickly, we can analyze your case better, we can push your case to being resolved much more quickly. Another thing that's good for you to do, and people sometimes don't even realize this, that one of the benefits in a workers' comp claim is that you get paid back or reimbursed for the mileage that you have to drive to and from medical visits. So we will provide you, and your attorney, whoever it is, should provide you with a form so you can track your mileage for those medical visits. Give that to your attorney. Let them submit that for you and track whether that's getting paid or not. So make sure you remember that is a real benefit that you're entitled to through our law. Now, one thing that a lot of people get really upset about in a workers' comp case is, let's use an example of someone who really is seriously injured. Maybe they have a back injury, something that prevents them from going to work. Your attorney, and we do this often as well, may ask you to go perform a job search. Well, why in the world would I go look for a job if I'm injured and my doctor says I can't work? The reason is the only thing that your attorney can take to court if you have to go to a hearing to prove that you have a loss of wage earning capacity is to show that judge a job search, to show that you have done a diligent search for a job, that you haven't come out there on the first thing and said, hey, I'm injured, will you hire me? You're really looking for work, and that there's either no responses or they're denying you, and you're not able to get work. That's how an attorney proves that you have this loss of wage earning capacity. So it's very important in some workers' comp cases. So if you're asked to do that, you can talk to your attorney about it, but I'm telling you, it is very important. And it seems strange, I understand that. And we tell all our clients this up front, that hey, this may happen, don't be upset with us, but there's a reason we're doing this. The other thing is communicate with your attorneys. If you feel like something's not going right, if you feel like your doctor is not taking good care of you, make sure you tell your attorney, and make sure your attorney's doing something about it and looking into that situation. Another thing that's extremely important with the attorney and the client relationship is that there's trust. Now, that's something I understand has to be built, but if for some reason the trust is just not there, then it may be best for you to find another attorney. Sometimes it happens. Maybe there's a personality conflict. Maybe there's just not a good fit there. It doesn't mean there's anything wrong with you. It doesn't necessarily mean there's anything wrong with that attorney. But that trust is very important to making sure your case goes as smoothly as possible. So I hope this helps you. That's my tip for the day. Help your lawyer. Hope this video has been helpful, and thank you very much for watching.